Passing up, can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, X-Parking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now we're on the 95 right now. Got a nice ass Porsche 911. That shit sounds nice, man. No joke. Got a lot of traffic today, guys. Nice ass Mustang though. Shit low as fuck. But right now we're on our way. On my way going to the work right now. So if anything, I'm probably gonna have to pick up a camera when I get off. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching the video, man. In the Camry, wild with it, man. That's a nice ass wrap on the C8, man. Got a clean ass Cybertruck. But let me know down in the comment section if you guys think the Cybertrucks are overrated or if y'all like them, man. It's in a matte army green. Look like, but let me know down in the comment section if you guys like them, or what's y'all favorite cars, or what y'all trying to work towards.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.